Well, back on the Fairlane, it is a very cold day, and for South Carolina at least. But I'm just going to do it and just pressure wash the valve covers. But I am going to change drain the oil first, and then kind of just let everything else, all the water drain, all that good stuff. And just kind of the same thing I did with my old Ford Ranger, and just kind of cycle through about 3 oil filters and drain the oil a couple times, ran some transmission fluid, all that stuff. But it's kind of the same idea. I know it's maybe controversial for other people, but it's worked for me in the past, so that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so that's about it. Anyway, sit back and watch. Well, they look good. A lot better than I expected. I mean, it's not bad. However, you know, it is water. So I'll probably drain the oil. And I don't think I got too much water in there, but we'll see. I'll just stick it on there and see what happens. But yeah, let's see. It is dropping below 0. So it's dropping below. Let's see how much came in there. More than I expected. Well, I don't know. I guess it's to be expected. There it goes. Try and get to the bottom now. I'll just let that sit for a few minutes. Let that completely dry, or completely drain. Alright, so with that, go mess around with the top end. So I am putting on one of the valve covers, because one of the main issues I had was oil on that side, excuse me, not going through. And I want to make sure it goes through. I want to watch it. So I got to put oil in the thing, but I can't do that without the valve covers on, because yeah, the oil, I tried to put the funnel in that little oil port, but it just wasn't working out. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. I got a couple more left. You can just watch me. This one, and I dropped one. And I gotta find that thing. Alright, where'd you get? Alright. Where are you? Yeah. But I'm just gonna run it till it gets warm, and then let some of that water evaporate. That should be good to go. All right, let's fill this thing up with oil. Oop. I think this is only like 4 quarts that's in here. There it is, she is on it. I'll just let that go for a little bit. Oh man, a little bit of oil. Hey, Charlie.
Doesn't sound bad.
Yeah. It's running a lot better than it did. But a little bit of oil there. A lot of oil in these middle ones.
I'm just being nosy.
Oh, you're fine.
Being nosy saying,
This is the other neighbor, Charlie.
oh yeah.
Well, as you can see, it ran pretty good. And actually, they're letting it sit and run. I did actually add some oil on those couple lifters that were, not lifters, but rockers that were kind of, they weren't pushing as much oil as I want. So, but they were pushing out oil. But it's a lot cleaner in there. I put a valve cover on the other one, put the oil in it. Everything seems like it's running fine. Sounds good. It's just have no water in it because of that freeze plug. So couldn't run it very long. It does still smoke, which I expect considering all the stuff I dumped down the cylinders to get that thing unlocked. But plan on probably replacing that freeze plug next and get this thing running right. And I did put some transmission fluid in transmission and I got it in reverse, so it's there. It's not going to take much. I'm so close to getting it driving that it'll be going soon. All right, keep your eyes out for the next video.